In today's video, we're going to show you a simple 10-second trading strategy using only 2 moving averages. This strategy delivers impressive results if you follow some rules carefully, which I will cover. The first candle time and our expiration will be 10 seconds. Instead of traditional candles, we will use Heiken Ashi candles. The first red moving average is the SMA with a 5 period, and the blue one is the SMA with a 10 period. We will take trades when the red moving average crosses the blue one. However, there are essential points to increase accuracy. First of all, we look for situations where the red moving average confidently crosses the blue one from top to bottom for selling and from bottom to top for buying. We avoid taking trades during consolidation. Secondly, we expect only strong, confident candles. If the candles are weak, we skip the trade since the chances are lower. Lastly, we wait for the end of the candle, and if it remains the color we need, the crossing is confirmed, and the candles are generally strong. Only then do we enter the trade. Let's look at this in practice. But before we start, feel free to check our Telegram group, where I give free signals from my software based on market history data and the setup of indicators. You may see the results in the public channel with nothing edited. You're welcome to check. Everything's free. Link in pinned comment. This is our first trade. We can see confident candles in the red line crossing blue one from bottom to top, so we enter trade on the next candle. Next situation, I wait for the candle to finish, and if it remains green with a good volume and the crossing is confirmed, I take the trade. Great situation, but I'm late. Another great moment. Look at this situation. Very confident movement. I entered the trade a little late, but still the result is profit. I missed such a good moment. Okay, excellent results. I can finish here. Now I will show 5 more trades with this strategy, which I managed to take yesterday. But without comments, you will understand everything yourself.